Consider you're working as rally admin. You wanted to add a field that stores sprints count or that stores due date or maybe start dates, but that field is not available in Rally platform. How you will be able to add it, I will explain you in this video. We can create any fields or any of our own fields which supports our unique development process. We must be a subscriptions or workspace administrator to create custom fields. As with most fields, we can have custom fields visible to the entire workspace, a single project, or sections of the project hierarchy. We can also create custom fields using the same procedure as for work item fields. I will explain you each and everything in detail in this video. If you wanted to learn more about Rally, feel free to refer my entire Rally playlist where I covered almost every concept in detail. To start with this, we have to navigate it to Setup, and from the Setup tab, go to your personal workspace or project. As of now, I wanted to move to Amazon where I will add couple of fields which is not present in my Amazon project. These custom fields are helping us to store value. If you're working on any projects which demands fields to be added as counting or accepting the region value, I mean regional related space. So we can create these fields in projects having access to these fields, or we can even tag to the project hierarchy. We wanted to hide a new field from only a free projects, create it from the workspace label and then set it to be hidden in those project. We can create a custom field from either project or workspace administrative pages. However, custom fields exist in the database at the workspace level, while visibility may be controlled from either the workspace or project label. Custom fields are not copied from between work item types when we convert one type to another, and fields can only exist once in a workspace. Multiple projects can share a fields and can use the same values and settings to create independent field item. It must have a different name. We can do lot more thing with this fields. Let's first understand how we can create a field, and post that I will give few more quick benefits of using it or important parts at the end of the video. So be available from start to end of this video. If you have any queries, questions related to Rally, feel free to add in the comment sections and let me know how you will utilize this video and which type of fields you are creating for your own. For creating a fields, we have to click on add new. Whichever fields is available in your projects, you can see these are the fields present. If we want, even we can export these custom fields and get it really handy in Excel. To begin with the creation of fields, here we have to click on add new, add the name of the fields. So my field name is region because I wanted to store or capture the region. Type, you will have multiple types. If you're creating to store date and time, then select this. If you wanted to store decimal values, select this one, integer. But as of now, I wanted to store as string. So I will select string, but we have lot of options. We can also have drop down list if we want. We have to add the drop down list, and post that we have to even include the drop down list value as well. Whenever you're navigating to the Boolean, it always stores true and false value. If you wanted to select date, it always have the date and time format. Decimal, it means whenever you are selecting the decimal, you can store any number post the decimal value. Then we have integer where you can store numbers like 1 to 9. or more than that. Then string, it always stores alphanumeric value where you can add the name, place name, person name, or even you can add any object name. Then the drop down list will contains, or you can have this field available where you will give an options to the users to select any fields which is present from your database. Next will be drop down list multi-value where you will give an options to select to the user multiple fields together. And finally we have text as well as drop down list user where you will give the options to users to select any user field like assignee is the fields we are normally using drop down list user where you can select user or you can assign your tickets to any user, and web link where you can add any link or URL. For my purpose, I wanted to select string where I will store all the string value which is present in my system. So as of now, I am targeting region. Display name, again, I will give the same name. Visible to the project, I will select yes. It will visible and required. If you wanted to mark this field as required, right, you have to just uncheck this no, and it will become a required field for your projects. Click on save and this fields will be created successfully. Here, if I will go to investments, I can see all these fields are available where I was trying to create fields which is under region fields. So here you can see the region is also added, and you can see this region is available because I've selected string. That's the reason I can see one text box where it provides a space to the user to type in. That is how we can create it. If you can see this fields here, we have date and time. So by selecting date and time, you will have this field available. If you wanted to show progress and all, you can have here. If you wanted to add users, you can even include the user fields or select the user field. This is how we can easily create the fields within a rally and get it activated in our workspace. Now, the important part is whenever you want to make the field required or whenever you want to make the value required in custom fields, we can always enable the required space. So at the workspace level, if we create a custom fields as required, it is visible and the fields required in all open projects. So custom fields are not copied from between work item types when you convert from custom fields are not copied from between work item types when you convert on type to another. And rally standard fields can be visible or hidden but only at the workspace level. So these all are important pointers which are covered while creating fields in Rally. Hope you liked it. And if you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within the circle. Question for you is which type of fields you wanted to create in your projects or for which purpose you're going to utilize this video. Feel free to add your question in comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in next video.